Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to learn this glamorous bride makeup. You can also wear as a guest makeup. So let's just quickly learn how to do it. And let's go. So today's eye makeup is a little bit struggling. So first we will do our eye makeup so nothing will fall on our face base. So I'm first going to use my Mars palette. This is a all-round contour and concealer palette, and this has many shades which you can choose. And I'm going to conceal with this palette. Just apply it all over your lids. This will help us to give a even color to our lids and also will help our eyeshadows to pop. So let's just apply it. I'm using a loose powder. You can use a compact powder, and we will set this thing with our powder. So as I told, today's eye makeup is a little bit critical. I am going to use my one and only eyeshadow palette, and we are going to use a little bit of reddish brownish color, and we are going to first do our crease. I am mixing this little bit of reddish brown color into my crease. So just let me pick it up and we will do our crease. Just go with a hint of color. Now over the line I'm just packing on the color. I'm just dipping in the color and I'm just packing it in here. And in this angled area I will use a brown, but just in the crease. But don't come more in than this area. Just blend it in this. So here I have just applied the colors on my crease and not in my lids, because for lids we are going to use another color. So I'm going to use a red color and I'm going to pick this with my fingers to get as much as pigment I can get. So here is the red and we are going to apply it on our lips, and we need a really dark color, so we need to pack it on. So after packing it for ears, this is what the boldest red I got, and I'm really happy with it. And we will just blend the outlines with a little bit orange and this kind of pencil kind of brush, and we will just blend the crease area. We will not touch this bold color anymore. Also get a little bit red on your brush, and here this is also. Then we will add some sparkle onto our lids, but if you have any kind of that starry kind of liquid liners, you can use that. But I'm just going to use my highlighter palette and going to use a little bit of the highlighter and just going to apply it on my lips. And the next step will be we will use our concealer and a really thin tiny brush. We are going to dip it into our concealer and we are going to line our crease line like this. The crease line, you can see this line we are going to line. So let's just line it. I have lined my eyes. Now I'm going to clean it with once more taking the red eyeshadow on my brush and patting it on. This looks like a cat eye. So then we are going to use our favorite eyeliner and line your favorite wing liner. Then after doing our over eyes, we are also going to line our under eyes with the eyeliner. You can use a kajal as well. I'm going to use a little bit of black eyeliner in my brush and I'm going to line all my under lash with this. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm just using my empty mascara spoolie and just combing it out, and then we will just fill in the gaps. Going to apply our lashes, then our eye makeup will be completed. So let me just apply it. There is little bit of teardrops still in my eyes because I have applied lenses. So we will do just our lower lashes with mascara. Going to use my Hyper Colossal Curl mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. And I'm just doing my lower lashes. You know, when we are doing so much volume on our upper lashes, we need to do our lower lashes as well, because it will look not connected if you don't do it. We're going to move on our face. So for this look we need a really clean base. So first I'm going to prime really quick. This is the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Moisturizer come a primer. So this really fills up your pores and also moisturizes. So my favorite primer was Lakme, but that was finished, so I give a try to this and I really like this. I feel like I don't even need to do my foundation or concealer. I am done with my base because this primer is so much great. I really love this one. A really great shiny effect. So I'm using my Olivia makeup pan stick for my foundation. Just going to apply it all over my face. So you can either blend it with your brush or even with your beauty blender. So I think I should blend it with my beauty blender today because I'm feeling really glowy right now. So I need to tame that a little bit. I don't want to cover that all glow which I have got from my primer. So I'm using this beauty blender. Going to apply it also in my ears so nothing looks backdated on your face. I'm going to use concealer, my same makeup stick. For my concealer I'm just dotting a bit under my eyes because I don't think I need too much. And if even you are going to apply too much foundation or concealer, it is not good because too much foundation or concealer also doesn't stay too long and also creases really nicely. So for a more better glowy and much long lasting look, use as much as less you can. I'm perfectly done with my foundation and concealer, so we need to set this up because this look is so much glowy right now, so we need to set it. So I'm going to use a loose powder on my beauty blender and just applying it all over my face. First I'm just applying it all over my C-zone. Apply your contour in upwards motion always. If you're going to get it downwards, it will not work. So I'm just blending it in an onwards motion. Also going to contour my jawline super fast. Then I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush and going to contour my nose. Then I'm going to use a orange shadow just on my contour, and I'm using the orange shadow as my blush. Then I'm going to use my Swiss Beauty highlighter palette and I'm going to use my favorite silver shade and just applying it on my highest points on my face. So for my lip color, I'm going to use a red lip pencil. Then I'm going to use my favorite Huda Beauty red lipstick. I really love this red color and I'm going to apply it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment below. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.